Hi, I'm Paige.
Hi, I'm Lockie. Today we're reviewing
The Sphero Mini Activity Kit. Let's open it.
We've got the mini ball,
Bowling pins for a game. Which one should we play?
the bowled over one. Go like that and you slide it in. 1, 2, 6.
So next we need to set the place up that the pins will go. So okay, now let's connect the Sphero. Oh, there it goes. And now
Oh, yeah.
move. Yeah.
Let's do this in the hallway.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you're almost there. Right.
I'm giving it a 9 out of 10.
I give it an 8 out of 10. It's really fun to see it move around.